Prateek launches Canfor 2 and Chisel 2026 to expand affordable premium wall panels in India. Prateek has announced the launch of two new decorative wall panel collections for 2026, Canfor 2 and Chisel 2026. The new ranges are now available across India through the company's distributor and dealer network, with pricing positioned between ₹120 and ₹150. With these launches, Prateek is targeting the growing demand for modern, texture-rich interiors that remain practical and cost-effective. The company aims to balance design innovation with affordability, ensuring that premium surface aesthetics are accessible to a wider customer base across residential and commercial segments. Interior design trends are increasingly shifting toward personalization, material-inspired textures, and surfaces that combine aesthetics with durability. Canfor 2 and Chisel 2026 have been developed to align with these evolving preferences, offering versatile solutions suited for contemporary spaces. The Canfor 2 collection introduces 70 new designs and color options. The textures draw inspiration from cork, metal, pastel finishes, wood grains, stone, marble, and fabric surfaces. These designs are intended to elevate walls from functional partitions to expressive design elements within homes and commercial establishments. From a functional standpoint, Canfor 2 panels are lightweight, durable, and moisture-resistant. The panels are engineered to ensure dimensional stability and long-term performance, making them suitable for varied climatic conditions and interior applications. Additionally, the use of recyclable and eco-friendly materials aligns the product with sustainability considerations. The Chisel 2026 range focuses on convenience and ready-to-install efficiency. These panels come pre-finished, reducing installation time while maintaining high visual impact. Precision-crafted molds ensure uniform finishes, while the surfaces are designed to be low maintenance and long-lasting. Chisel 2026 is positioned as a solution for both residential and commercial environments where design consistency and installation efficiency are critical. The ready-to-use format also reduces on-site finishing requirements, which can improve project timelines and cost predictability. Management commentary highlights that modern interior design is no longer solely about aesthetics but about creating spaces that reflect individuality while remaining practical. By integrating material versatility with ease of use, Prateek aims to democratize access to premium interior finishes. Strategically, the expansion of these collections strengthens Prateek's position in the decorative wall panel segment. By leveraging its nationwide distributor and dealer network, the company is scaling availability while maintaining price competitiveness. Overall, the launch of Canfor 2 and Chisel 2026 reflects Prateek's focus on expanding its design-forward portfolio while reinforcing accessibility. The combination of affordability, functionality, and contemporary aesthetics positions the company to tap into rising demand for modern surface solutions across India's evolving interior design market. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.